All right, let's in fact focus on the earnings coming in. We've got Mahindra Satyam from the IT space announcing their Q4 numbers. Just quickly run you through the headline numbers. Profit at 534 crores versus 308 crores in this fourth quarter. Revenues at 1670 crores versus 1718 crores. That's the management speaking. Let's cut across to Vineet Nair addressing the media.
I believe our current quarter, where we delivered superior growth in revenue and EBITDA, is a reflection of the true potential of the company. If we take a view over a year, there has been considerable improvement in almost all key metrics across delivery, cost management, and revenue growth. So whichever metric you use, we, I think, are with the top performers in the industry, and given the fragility which this company had, I think it's a good news. Our strategy of focusing on key customers and relationship has stood us in good stead. Our top 20 customers have grown at over 19% in FY12 compared to FY11, indicating the successful beginning of an account mining strategy. It's also a reflection on the quality of our delivery that in the big accounts, we are growing at a rate of 20% on an annual basis. We hope to continue to focus on offering a wider range of offerings to our customers and broadening the relationship across multiple parameters. One key event of the quarter gone by was the announcement of the merger between Mahindra Satyam and Tech Mahindra. We have got a lot of positive feedback, and our stakeholders, as also the stock market, has responded very positively to this decision. As I speak, we are aligning our processes and are ensuring a seamless integration between the two companies. In terms of key milestones, we have received approval on the merger from the Stock Exchange and the Competition Commission of India. We are confident of clearing other formalities in due course. As we said at the time of acquiring Satyam, as we said at the time when the two boards met for the purposes of integration, there are huge synergies between the two companies. The expertise of Tech Mahindra in telecom would be of great advantage to all the enterprises which Satyam uses. And the capabilities of Satyam in terms of business intelligence, in terms of knowledge of SAP or Oracle, that's of a great relevance to the telecom companies. So net, I'm very positive about this merger, and I can say with an element of confidence that on account of the preparatory work we've done, you would notice that we proceeded with the merger with a measured pace. There was no hurry to it. It took us 3 years to come to this, but that also gave us opportunity and time to make sure that when integration takes place, it is seamless. Having said that, in this business, like any other business, I see this as a beginning. We still have a long way to go. We will continue to need the full focus of the management and continued cooperation of the outstanding staff we have. So these words, I'll ask C.P. to fill you in on details in relation to specifics of our strategy and where he perceives growth and where he sees obstacles. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Vineet, and good evening, everybody. Fact is, Mahindra Satyam and all our staff has shown its ability to counter the headwinds and continue on the growth trajectory. we all agree that none of us has lived in such an uncertain global environment. But while we may be in the midst of these unprecedented economic conditions, the perspective that all of us at Mahindra Satyam bring is that of looking for an opportunities and looking for how we can add value to the enterprises, to the businesses that we work with. We are very, very conscious our customers' perspective is that they would put every rupee, every dollar, every pound, every euro to good use, and it's our responsibility that we go in front of them and give them not only attractive value propositions, but value propositions that can help them tide over some of the challenges that they are facing.
All right, that's the Mahindra Satyam earnings. Profits beating street expectations, coming in higher at 534 crore rupees. We also have the management saying that the CCI, the Competition Commission of India, has given the approval for the Mahindra Satyam Tech Mahindra merger as well. But they are, of course, saying there are some strains when it comes to the US market. So that's Mahindra Satyam's Q4 earnings. Let's focus on the land acquisition bill.